sounds. Fairly quickly build this. Vertical and horizontal objects. We also need a player component to play the sounds we record. var
and then I can do something with that. Because this has got the sounds, get sound, set sound to, etc. Which reminded me that I actually do need one more thing, because I need somewhere to store that sound recording. And I don't have a place, in this case, db1 base, and I'm going to store value. And the value I'm going to store will be the get sound, the sound that has just been recorded. I need to put a tag on there, just a bit. Bit of text, and I'm going to call that recorded sound. Now the last thing that I need to do that will actually make this work, so I go to button playback, so button playback dot click. I am going to set the sound, hang about, that's not the sound recorder, sorry, the player. I'm going to set the source, the player source, to be that value from the database. So from tinydb, I'm going to get value, and the value I'm going to get is going to have this tag, the recorded sound tag. So this one stores the sound in the database as recorded sound. This one gets recorded sound value and puts that as a player one source, and then the last thing I need to do is just play the sound. Okay. Now what's going to happen here this does work. I can't show you the emulator. My emulator doesn't work on my computer. What's going to happen here is every time I record a new sound, it's going to record over the top of this recorded sound. I'm just going to show you one way that we could get around that. I'm going to put a text box onto here, text box 1, and instead of tagging it with recorded sound, don't want that anymore, I'm going to say take the text box text, which is here. Text box 1 sound, don't want that anymore, I'm going to say take the text box text. So what in the app is the text I typed into. I can round 2 use that